Have you? Yes, you motherfucker. Have you ever wanted to do an Easter egg shitty titty? Where when you delete the file, it jumps to another label in Renpy. Some shit. Fuck, I can't speak. You know, like the shit in Doki Doki Literature Club when you delete Monica before starting the game so Yuri starts crying. Yeah, you wanna try something like that? Well, let's learn how to do that. So, I'ma just go here. Let's just create a new project. Tutorial shit tit. I don't fucking know, let's go with the small size. And I like blue, so let's go with blue. Come on! Why is it so never mind. Okay, so let's open this. Let's open this. Now, just get rid of all this bullshit, and I'll put this line of code in the description because I'm too lazy to type it out. Again. Fun fact, this code was actually stolen from Doki Doki Literature Club. Obviously. Ow! Okay, I'm back. Sorry, just had to eat a sandwich. Anyways, label. Bullshit. Actually, no. Let's label start. This is what starts the game, and this is very important. You gotta add this right here. And now we'll type some shit, like hello, for fuck's sake. And if you know, so here's okay. So here's how it works. Try means I don't know much about try and accept. I don't know much about Python. I'm still learning, so I apologize if I explain shit wrong. Anyways, this line over here says, if this file exists, just continue the game. And if it doesn't, and this file, blah, fuck, if this line of code says, if the file does not exist, jump to a label. So, let's rename this to bullshit, because that's the name of the label. And let's put, you deleted the file, you sussy baka. Now this is great. This is fucking amazing. Okay, so now over here we choose what file we want to affect the game with. So we go game images. Is it images? Hold on. Is it images? Yeah, it's images. Images. And, your mom. Okay, I'm back. I had to, let my cat in my room. Anyways, we have images, your mom, .png. So, now let's get the file that we want to affect the game with. Let's choose this one. And now we'll just go to, where your game is, tutorial shit it. Here, images. And I'm gonna just name this to your mom, because I banged your mom last night. Now, let's open up the game. Hello. Oh yeah, I forgot to add return. Return. This over here, return just makes the game go back to the main menu. So yeah. Hello. We have hello. And now, if we delete the file, it will say you deleted the file, you sussy fucking baka. Congratulations, you learned how to make a DDLC tanky pee. Bye. I gotta go take a shit.